Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a really nice, sturdy, small trash can, you are gonna love this one that I got from Veelesa. We live in a 290 square foot home, and so space is very, very limited. And I love how this little trash can has really fit in well into our lives. This is stainless steel, which means it's gonna last for a long time, and it has an inner plastic can so that you can easily put a bag inside of it, pull it out, and it keeps things from getting messy. This is a 1.6 gallon can, and I've been using the bags that I use for produce at the grocery store to line it. This has a foot pedal on it. It's really easy to operate. And I love that the lid itself has a soft close on it. This means that it's not banging shut, making a lot of noise, because I hate noise. I got the white can, but there are other colors you can choose to fit into whatever aesthetic that you have. Not only is this can totally functional, but it's pretty too. That's total win-win in my book. I really like it, and that's my point of view.